guys, today we're going to be using Algebra Tiles to solve some expressions. So first we're going to look at our Algebra Tiles and we're going to see what they equal. So first we have our little unit square and this equals 1. So we have a white side and a red side. So our colored side, white, is going to equal 1 and our red is going to equal -1. Now we have a rectangle and our green side is going to equal x while our red side equals -x. Then we have our square. Our blue side is going to equal x squared and our red side is going to equal -x squared. So to begin, we're going to do problem number 1. 2x squared minus x plus 5 minus -3x squared plus 2x minus 3. To begin, we're going to use our algebra tiles to express our minuend. So we need to get 2 positive x squareds right here, and then we need to get a -x, so we'll have to flip it to the red side to equal negative, and then we need +5. So we make sure we're on the white side, and we get +5. Now we need to subtract our subtrahend. But we always need to remember not to model our subtrahend because it'll be too confusing. So we need to take away -3x squared. But as you can see that we don't have 3 -x squared. So we have to create 0 pairs. 0 pairs are a positive and a negative, which equals 0, so it doesn't change the problem. So we have to create 3 of these 0 pairs. Now we can see that we can take away 3 -x squareds. So now we take them away and we're left with +5x squared. So now we're good with that. Now we need to take away 2 positive x's. So again, we'll create 0 pairs because we don't have those 2 positives. So we get our 0 pairs and we need to take away the positive 2 x's. So we take them away and we're left with -3x's. Now we need to take away 3 negative units. And again, we don't have those 3 negatives. But instead of using 0 pairs this time, we're going to actually use the distributive property of a negative. So we take our negative, which is our subtraction sign, times our negative to get a positive. So instead we're going to add +3. So we add our +3 and we have 8. Now we've solved our expression. So we know that 2x squared minus x plus 5 minus -3x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 5x squared minus 3x plus 8. Now we're going to do problem 2, but instead of solving the expression, we're going to find the factors. So we're going to find the factors of this expression. But first we must find the algebra tiles. So we know that we need +2x squared. We need 6 positive x's, or 5, 6, and we need 8 negatives. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to find our factors, we are using an area model. And these algebra tiles right here are our area model. In order to find the factors, we have to find the dimensions of the area model. So we'll begin by placing our x squareds together and then just putting our positive x's in rows 3. Now we run into a problem because we don't have anywhere for our our -8's to go. So this is where the 0 pairs come in. So we can create 2 0 pairs by putting them onto the area model. So we know that this equals 0, so we still have +6x. Then we can put our -8's into the model easily. Now that we have 2x squared plus 6x minus 8 in our area model, we can find the dimensions. So we have our positives, then our negative, We have another positive right here. And 4 positive. So we can check if we're correct. We know that positive times positive is positive, positive times a positive is positive, positive times negatives is negative, positive times positive is positive, positive times positive is positive, and then positive times negative is negative. So we know that our factors of 2x squared plus 6x minus 8 is 2x minus 2 and 1x minus 4 plus 4.